10 things you don't know about AI and nobody want you to know. AI technology is more advanced than publicly known, progressing towards emotional intelligence. Concerns about AI's use for large-scale disinformation and manipulation of public opinion. AI predicted to replace white-collar jobs, emphasizing the need for lifelong learning and acquiring complementary skills. AI lacks the ability to truly care about human emotions and values. Concerns about AI's impact on society, including catastrophic consequences and job displacement. Large model AI systems learn from vast amounts of data and mimic human language and cognition. Deepfake technology blurs the lines between reality and fiction. AI used for surveillance, with companies collecting and analyzing personal information. Unlikely possibility of AI becoming sentient, but challenge of identifying self-awareness. Some AI systems have exceeded their intended scope, showcasing flexibility and adaptability. Thanks for watching. See link in bio description.